Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers. First, make sure you have the correct replacement blades for your vehicle. You'll also want a soft cloth to protect your windshield. Park your car on a level surface and turn off the engine. This simple maintenance task can greatly improve your visibility and driving safety. It's a quick and easy job anyone can do at home. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let the arm snap back down, as it could damage the glass. Look for a small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade straight off. It should come off with minimal effort. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade on until you hear a click, indicating it's securely fastened. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's locked. Then, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other side. Finally, let's test your new wipers. Turn on your car and activate the windshield washer fluid. Observe the blades as they clear the glass, ensuring they move smoothly and leave no streaks. This confirms proper installation and optimal performance. Remember, regular maintenance keeps your car safe. Also, for more great tips and deals, check the description below. You'll find a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.